Hello.
Hi.
How are you today?
Fine.
Today we have many experiments because I'm gonna teach you how airplanes fly. Okay? We have toilet paper, ping pong ball, hair dryer and 2 balloons. Okay? And we have our first experiment is with this toilet paper. Okay, yes. We're gonna see that if air passes from here faster, the pressure here becomes low, the pressure below becomes high, and then that's why this will rise like this. Okay? This is the principle of the airfoil, the wing of the airplane. Okay? We're gonna try. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. You're gonna see this rise like this. Okay? Yeah. See, because the air passes from here quickly, the pressure becomes lower, and the pressure, atmospheric pressure here becomes higher. This is why it flies. Okay, you want to try?
Yes.
Yeah. Yay! Yeah, try. Blow here, which is. Okay, you see? Okay, now our next experiment. You're gonna see how. Anna Maria, look here. Anna Maria. Don't turn it off. You see? Because wait. Do it like this. Okay, you see? Oops. Okay, now we wait faster. Yes. Okay, like this. Oops. Yeah. Now Anna Maria's turn.
Okay, can I try then? Can I try?
We're gonna see, yeah. You see? Now this is our last experiment today. We're gonna see when air travels from here faster than the air here. Okay, what will happen? Okay, what do you think will happen if we blow here? Don't try. They will get apart, okay? Or they will go forward. What do you say?
They will get apart.
Okay, we're gonna see. Now this principle, along with the principle of the wing, is done by a man called Bernoulli. Okay? Now I'm gonna blow here, you're gonna see what will happen. Okay, yeah. Are you ready?
Yes.
What happened? They came to each other. Why do you think? Yeah, try. Wait. Wait, Anna Maria, wait. Yeah, try.
I want to try.
Why? Yeah. Wait. Yeah. Why do you think so? Because air travels from here faster, the pressure is here low. The pressure here is high, they touch each other. Okay?
Bye-bye.
Yeah. Wait. Yeah, try.
Wow.
Okay, Yala. Say bye.
Bye.